E to F to G, F to E. Yeah. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, up 1 fret. From here, up 2 frets. 2, back 2 frets. Back 1 fret. 2, up 1 fret. Up 2 frets. Good. Back 2 frets. Back 1 fret. Beat 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. When you get comfortable with the movement, you may add excitement with the strumming hand. How about quarter notes? Or eighth notes? Up 2 frets. How about 16ths? Just add that upstroke. Listen to that tension. Oh, that's great. That motion. Back to E go now, E major.